Ka Shillong All Faiths Forum negas ngi kala Rakhe ka lyngkhuh dap snem jong ka kanhun na do belas dangi ka haus snem arjar arpo haga por basyak ta haga klam covid kinogalam jong ki kanhun niam baper kelayawan pani simbanta harangkat ke jingdon lang ulat ke jelau pagu chahan wach bishop ke jalan yang ba Shillong bishop ka All Saint Cathedral bat kuwe ka thong jong ni ka kanhun ka long ban ra ya ke jingetli bat ke jinget trailang kum ka wei ha ki banta baro.
Such a strong thread which binds all religion and faith together. There is no religion or faith which does not acknowledge the importance of environment. Whether we see the Hindu way of life, we Sanatanis, if you see in our Vedas or in our Puranas, we will see that our way of life has been intricately linked with environment. In fact, even we have sacred rivers and mountains whom we worship. And this itself is a true manifestation of that spiritual link. When we talk of the Buddhists, we all know non-violence has been the epitome. And as we see in the Buddhist scriptures, they say, be like a bumblebee. Go to the flower without disturbing its fragrance, its blossom, its color. Take the scent like you take the fragrance of life and move along without disturbing the flowers. In Christianity, you find hundreds of verses in the Bible which glorifies nature. The Christians believe that it was God who created this universe, and if humanity wants to disturb this biological diversity, humanity will do so at its peril. It is said that the divine form has created the earth for you to settle and the sky above to give you shelter. So we should not disturb what has been created. We have to be in sync with nature. Similarly, in Sikhism also, it says that you are the creator of the trees, the stream, the mountains, the waterfalls, the forests. So it is you who has to conserve. So in all religious or faith, you find among the Sankhasis the Sobat Nang and the inherent linkage of heart to heart with nature, where the traditional faith that the creation has come from the navel of the earth, that umbilical cord. So I think this is something, that environment which all binds us together. We can talk.
I was asked to give a speech for within 6 minutes. Of the upset, I would like to express my gratitude to the South for doing me the honor to deliver a short speech on this auspicious occasion, that is the third Foundation Day of Shillong All Faiths Forum. These days, religion is often considered by some a source of discrimination, disagreement and disunion. However, this narrative is not in harmony with the mission and the vision of SAF, a conglomeration of faith-based organization. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the union of religious institution or faith-based organization representing Hindu, Islam, Christianity, Sikh, Buddhism, the Nyamtre and the Lyngkhuh. This union is not without a purpose. The primary principle of this union is to serve for the society regardless of what religious belief a society favors. In this context, I am reminded of the work of a renowned French sociologist, David Emile Durkheim, who stressed that the function of religion is to serve for the society regardless of how it is practiced. The history of the second millennium AD is viewed as a history of hostility, religious and social conflict. In several conflicts, including the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, the Syrian civil war, and the wars of Afghan and Iraq, religious elements are overtly present. However, today, religious institutions have a major impact in reinforcing social unity and stability, as well as an agent of social control and thus strengthening social order in the society. In order to promote religious harmony, I personally feel that it is necessary to be familiar with the fundamental teachings of the world religion: Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Baha'i, Buddhism, Sikh, Jain, etc.
पर्यावरण हमारी धरती माता है। पर्यावरण में वो सभी प्राकृतिक संसाधन शामिल हैं जो कई तरीके से हमारी मदद करते हैं तथा चारों ओर पे घेरे हुए हम आगे बढ़ने का विकसित होने का बेहतर माध्यम देता है। मैं आप सभी को फिर के नेताओं से अपील करता हूँ कि आप लोग सभी लोग शांति और सद्भाव के मार्ग पर चलने तथा दूसरों को इसी रास्ते पर चलने के लिए प्रेरित करें। आप सभी को प्रेम सद्भाव सदैव बना रहना चाहिए। मुझे